morning, welcome to this vlog. It's very early in the morning, which can only mean one thing. Yes, we're off to the airport today and we are going to Turkey, to Marmaris, a hotel that I've filmed on here quite a lot before. There are 3 different visits and a lot of vlogs. It used to be called the Two Blue Marmaris. It's now called the Marmaris Bay Resort Hotel. We're going to go and check it out. There's been a lot of changes, so I'm very excited to bring you those. But this is a travel day video. We're traveling off to Dalaman Airport, so we're going to take you with us to show you what that's all about. So come along. So we are flying with Wizz Air from South Terminal at Gatwick Airport, which is near London, in case you don't know, but I think everyone knows where Gatwick Airport is. So South Terminal, because that's where this airline goes from. It doesn't go from north. Plenty early. I like to arrive about 3 hours before you check it, before you fly. But 3 hours is really a bit too much. But when you've got to navigate the M25, I always sort of be careful of that. So it's pretty quiet here this morning. It's quite chilly. We're going to leave that behind. It's going to be really hot out in Turkey. Yeah, so we're hand luggage only, so we can just go straight through. Checked in online, got boarding passes on the phone, easy. So we don't actually need to check in there because we've already checked in online and we are hand luggage only. So we're going to go straight through to departures. It was time to go and get some food to take on the plane with us. There wasn't a lot of gluten-free options there in Boots, but it was nice and quiet, which made a change because it can be quite chaotic in there. So we decided to go to Wetherspoons and have a quick fill up there as well, which was actually really nice. So that was at Gatwick South. So we've had Wetherspoons breakfast, which was very nice actually, enjoyed that. And it's time to go to our gate. Feeling really pumped. So we're getting on a bus to go to the plane. I don't know where our plane is. It's a pink one.
I'm loving it center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is a city I met all my best friends, and I want to thank every break. I want to thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride.
We have arrived in Turkey. We are getting off the train, off the plane. The plane, Wizz Air, great flight. Okay, so this is where the toilet stop is, everybody goes to. And we're going through passport control. There's not much queue, so that's really good. And we may use the loo when we get to the other side. It's got about an hour and a half transfer, I think. So a lot of people are collecting their bags there. We just come through passport control and we are hand luggage only, so we don't have bags to collect. So because of the transfer, we're going to just use the facilities quickly and then we're going to go and find our driver. Okay, the airport is really quiet, but we found our driver really easy. Just had my name on a board, and so now we are. If you come with a package, that's where you'll check in. You'll find your TUI people there. They tell which bus you're on and things like that. Can get some cash out there as well. But we're going with these people called Medusa transfer. I will give you a recommendation when we know how good they are. Nice car. Yes, please. So we've got a nice bottle of water on our welcome. It's a lovely bus, isn't it, Nathan? Look at this. Really, really nice. It just needs to get the air conditioning going.
Yeah.
So out of the window we have absolutely incredible views of these mountains, both sides of us. I'll show you this side because it's just a bit easier, but the other side, the mountains are somewhat closer, as you can see there. And so try and stay awake if you can for when you do the transfers, because they're just so beautiful. There's so much to see. Because we're quickly approaching our hotel, so there will be other videos that I'd love you to check out. It's going to be a full hotel tour of this Marmaris Bay Resort Hotel. Can't wait to show you all the new things and all the differences, what we're finding. There will also be a detailed room tour of just the room, and of course we're going to vlog as always to show you what we get up to. And I will do a what I ate as a celiac series of videos, little snippets of what I've eaten, and I'll probably also, if I remember, sometimes I do forget at meal times and start digging in, I'm like, oh, forgot. But I'll show you Nathan's food as well. He's non-celiac, doesn't have dietary requirements, so I will show you the food that they do there as well as what I've eaten and what he's eaten, just to give you a good idea. I've got very high hopes, so hopefully this is going to be amazing. I would love you to check it out. I will leave links in my description boxes if you wanted to have a look at some more details, and if you're ready to book, you can use that as well. So I'm going to bring this travel vlog to an end now. But meanwhile, me and all the beautiful mountains behind, we're going to check out from this video now, and I will see you in the next one, where we'll be arriving there, doing the room tour and a resort tour. Thank you so much for watching, and coming from Gatwick, London, to Turkey in Marmaris, Dalaman, on our way now to Marmaris.